Hi everyone, welcome to my very first video for Chanel's 24S Spring Summer Collection. Usually one of my favorites. I did have a little bit of a difficult time finding some pieces that I loved for different reasons because I'm being really selective. Cardigan felt great, didn't like the clasp. Another sweater felt great, didn't like the buttons, right? So I'm really trying to be very particular. And I do have some little shorts that I'm posting, so check out my Instagram and you'll see them. I'm not doing put them on the camera this time. I'm just gonna try them on and you'll see them all up here including what's coming up next. And you'll see it on the thumbnail of the video. So this is the very first one. This is the cardigan is the one I was really waiting for. The cardigan is really annoying. I'll tell you why. The buttons hurt like hell. When you go to button them, they're so rough and you can open the hole, but they're so rough. They actually tore up the end of my finger, and I'm not kidding. I felt like I had suddenly started, like, I don't know, doing something else. I'm not really sure, but I was no longer a professor, that's for sure. I would recommend that you try that one on and look at that if you're gonna spend a lot of money. So this is the top, the tank top related to it. Has really cool small detail here, not crazy. You can see the CCs on the back, which, you know, for me is suboptimal. I'm going to show you. So for me, I have this one, the look of this one's an 8. I've been waiting for the flowered piece. I really do like it as much as I thought. Wearability is an 8. It's very comfortable. This is a 36. 38 felt great. Lots of extra room, very baggy. And everyone was looking at me like, that is huge on you. Not to me. I think it fit fine. It does have some stretch to it, but I stuck with the 36 because apparently you're not supposed to wear it like that. Price, this is expensive. It's $4,000. It's a lot of money. So price and value, this is a 2. All right, I'm going to try on the next piece, which is a pink and white tank top. My grandmother would kill me. She's very superstitious about pink and white, but yeah, I'm going to wear it anyway. So more here in just a minute. All right, this is the second piece. It is a pink and white crop with, forgot what it's actually called. It has shirring. Yes, it's shirt. It's a shirt top. It's falling down because I haven't adjusted the straps. This is a 38. It's $2,000. It is on the pricier side. There's a skirt that goes with it. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. I have this with my Brunello Cucinelli from the very last video that I created, which I think was video 3, the skirt from that. And I think it's pretty cute. As an outfit overall, I like to pair things olive with pink. So for me, I like the overall look. I actually like the last top also with this bottom. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you this piece in case you're interested. Let me show you a couple of pairs of shoes, and then I'm going to jump to 2 dresses, and then we'll be wrapped up with this and 1 sweater, and then we'll be wrapped up. All right, I try to keep these videos a little bit shorter. First, I'm showing you this black sweater. This is a 38. For those of you, so it's $4,800. Those of you wondering what it feels like paper mache. It feels really weird. It sort of feels like straw, but not quite. It's hard to explain the feel on this one. I'm not sure how the lighting looks. We might be able to adjust it a little bit, but it is a dark true black, for those of you wondering. So yes, it is. And what I like about it is I'm a big fan of so black or black on black. And you can see the buttons are also a really dark ruthenium kind of color. And I like that it looks a little bit more edgy. They do have one right now that's kind of has, it's open here and it has clasp, but it's too formal for me and what I do in my life. So anyway, so for those of you who are looking for this piece, this is what it looks like. I believe it comes in white and black. In terms of the look, I think I have to check it out later. I think it's maybe a 5 or a 6. The wearability, it's pretty comfortable. It does feel a little on the heavy side for spring though, I'll be honest. So maybe a 5. Price value, it's a 2. This is a lot of money for this one piece. So I'm kind of very hesitant about it. These are the 2 shoes I wanted to show you, the Mary Janes. This is white and black. This is a 35.5. It's a little bit big on me. I'm a true 35. I can't quite wear them yet because I'm still dealing with some issues, as many of you know. This one is a leather and this one is a fabric. But decently comfortable, pretty much right out of the box. And if I didn't have my issue, so the other foot feels great, but the foot I have an issue with doesn't, but that's to be expected. So this is what these look like. Also, you should know that these are, you're not having to buckle this each time, you just slide this in here, which is kind of a cool design. Okay, I'm gonna try 2 dresses and be wrapped up. Okay, maybe this was my favorite dress I tried, so I'm just gonna show you how this works. It's a little wrap here. Makes it look like you tied a sweatshirt or t-shirt or, I'm sorry, sweater or something around your waist. Makes the behind look pretty good. Black and white, this is a 38. If it was any smaller, the bottom wouldn't fit, but it is pretty blousy on the top. This is what it looks like when you come in close to it. Just small detail here. Thank you for not overwhelming that, Chanel. And I believe it's 3,000, so it's a 38. So to me, show you the back, the look. I like it. I think it's pretty cute. Very great day tonight. Looks awesome with the Mary Janes. I would give it a 7. Wearability is a 7. It's pretty comfortable, very lightweight. Value of 5. Price. That's the reason. Quality for price. Okay, let me show you the last dress, and I will be wrapped up for the very first 24 Spring Summer Chanel collection try on. So be right back. All right, this is just a very small twist on the dress that we see pretty much every cruise and Spring Summer collection that I have seen since I started shopping at Chanel, which is a terry cloth feel. Compare that to our Loro Piana terry cloth. Night and day difference, by the way. So what about this dress? Well, it's a 38. Pretty wearable, I think. So price $2,700. It's a lot. It's not a lot for Chanel, according to them. This is a very inexpensive piece. For me, this one has a decent look. This is the only color it comes in, by the way. So if you're looking for more than black and white and pink, you're not going to find it that I know of, although sometimes Paris gets some awesome pieces in. If you don't have an essay over there and you do end up going to Paris, get their cell phone number. If you know you're going back, you can buy, they'll hold it. If it's within 89 days of the time that you're leaving, departing for the US again, you'll still get your tax-free. Just a hint, I'll actually do a whole video on some ways to kind of save a little bit of money getting designer pieces. But for me, this look is a 7. Wearability is a 7. Very easy piece. Simple to throw on, easy, looks nice, simple. Value, maybe I'll give this one a 7 because of its wearability and the price point finally being below $3,000, which is horrible to even have to say for a designer, yet there we are saying it. That's what I believe about this one. So that's all I have for now. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Looking forward to your comments and your feedback about the start of Chanel's summer collection. Thank you.